Srimatre Namaha Periva Sharanam. Ghatastapana or the Kalasha Pratishtha is a procedure which is done in many houses. Those who don't have a tradition of following this in your family, you can also start fresh. For this year, the Ghatastapana Muhurta is on 3rd October morning 6:15 to 7:22. For whomever it's not convenient during this time, you can also consider the Abhijit Muhurta, which is there from 11:46 a.m. to 12:33 p.m. Now, a detailed procedure of performing the Ghatastapana is shared ahead. Now, firstly, a kalasham has to be kept. That is a pot which is either a clay, brass, or a copper pot. We need to fill that with clean water, preferably if you have a well or a nearby river in your area where you live, you can take water from there or water preferably from the kitchen sink. We need to place mango leaves around the neck of the kalasham and a coconut which is wrapped in a red cloth or any cloth. Especially some people also just keep it simply on top of the kalasham. Next procedure of setting up the kalasham, it should be placed. The kalasham should be placed on a bed of rice, clean rice or unbroken grains. The nearby area should be purified using Ganga Janam or using turmeric water. And some people also have a tradition of creating like growing a small plant or so by sowing barley or wheat seeds on a small layer of soil. Next is we need to light an oil lamp and place it near the kalasham. We can decorate the area with flowers, a shubh labh or a swastik symbol, or maybe some people do this by using a turmeric paste. You can also draw a column or a rangoli in the nearby area. The invocation mantra for goddess Durga or Parashakti is chanted. One example is Om Dum Durga Yai Namaha, or any Navratri specific mantras like Durga Saptashati, that is Devi Mahatyam or Lalita Sahasranama. Any prayer in praise of the goddess can be chanted. Further, flowers, kunkuma, chandanam can be offered to the kalasham. Fruit, sweets also are done. Next is Durga Saptashati is chanted, and or Lalita Sahasranama is chanted. Those who don't know to chant, you can listen to the audios also. The link is shared in the description. And the ritual is closed by performing the arti to the goddess and seeking the blessings. Now, the light lamp that we light, it is a tradition to ensure that we keep lighting the lamp all through the 9 days of Navaratri. So, this is the significance of Ghatastapana and how it can be done. For whomever convenient, you can do this Kalasham and seek the blessings of the goddess. Happy Navaratri.